Taking the next step towards achieving a life beyond pain is an exciting decision. Choosing a therapy that best meets your needs is key to achieving significant long-term pain relief from chronic pain. The Algovita spinal cord stimulation system combines the best aspects of proven SCS technology into a single patient-friendly system. It enables you to customize pain therapy to your individual needs so you can get back to living the active life you want. After a successful Algovita trial, the next step to long-term pain relief is a permanent implant. The permanent implant procedure consists of the placement of leads and a battery, also called an implantable pulse generator, or IPG. The leads will be inserted via a small incision in your lower back and placed in the epidural space of your spinal cord, and the IPG will be inserted below the skin, typically in the low back area. The leads will be connected to the IPG under the skin. While most patients feel immediate relief from their chronic pain when their system is turned on, follow your doctor's advice on recovery. You may feel some pain post-procedure on your incision site. This is normal. The Algovita system is not intended to treat your incision pain. Similar to the trial procedure, the permanent implant procedure requires minimal recovery time. After the procedure is complete, you and your doctor will work together to fine-tune settings for your therapy. Your system will include a small pocket-sized device that you can use to adjust your stimulation. Here at Nuvectra, we designed our system to combine the best aspects of proven SCS technology into a single patient-friendly system that is easy to use. With the Algovita system, you have access to a discreet, easy-to-use patient remote that enables you to customize your therapy on the go, multiple customizable therapies to help maximize pain relief. Because your pain can change over time, we want your therapy to be able to adapt to meet your pain relief needs. An easy-to-charge system with deep battery discharge, protecting you from losing the ability to use your system and preventing the need for an additional surgery. Spinal cord stimulation is a clinically proven pain relief therapy for chronic pain. Visit lifebeyondpain.com to see how Nuvectra's Algovita SCS system has improved the lives of those living with chronic pain, and consult with your doctor to see if you're a candidate for the therapy.